And then the main goal will be the falls, which is right there. It's beautiful. There's a lot of area for you to stay, sit down, take a break, have a picnic. And the water is very clear, cold, beautiful. But this weather calls for it. You can continue walking just a little bit more until you get to the falls. Once you get to the falls, you'll see that there's a little area for you to have more time with your family, swim. So make sure that you bring water shoes. And here is the waterfall. I hope you enjoy this video.